Hello everyone and welcome to the LEXIS project. Today we are diving into the exciting world of game design using the Scratch platform. Scratch is a free block-based coding platform developed by the MIT. It's designed to make programming fun and accessible for people of all ages. With Scratch you can create your own interactive stories, games and animations by simply snapping together code blocks like puzzle pieces. It's a fantastic way to learn the fundamentals of coding and unleash your creativity without needing any prior programming experience. Whether you are a beginner or having a coding knowledge, Scratch provides a playful and educational environment to bring your ideas to life. Let's dive in and start creating an amazing project together. First of all, we have to visit Scratch platform, which is scratch.mit.edu. And then we have to take some minutes to create our own account in order to save our projects online. So to create your account, just click the icon here and sign in order to create your own account. Then if we want to create a new game, we just click create button. If we want to explore some other games, we have to click explore. We have ideas buttons to have some ideas of different games, and about button gave us some short description about Scratch platform. If we click explore button, we can see here different games. To play a game or to see how this game is being developed, we can click on a game or we can search for a game. So let's search for LEXIS project. And let's click on this LEXIS project here. Now we can play this game, or we can see inside how this game is being developed. So to play with the game, we have to click this green flag and start playing with this game. So now let's go back to the Scratch homepage. We can see ideas section here to see some interesting games to create by ourselves, and about button here just to learn more about Scratch platform. So now it's time to create our own game. So let's click create, and we can see this interface here in front of us. We can change the name of our project to LEXIS. We can share our project to the community, and now we can start creating our own game. First of all, at the left hand side we have the blocks that we will use to make our character here to move or to do some other tasks. We have motion blocks, which is help us to make our character to move, looks, which can say something to the user, sound, events, which it is our game, our which we can some important functions like forever, sensing, operators, tables, and we can use my as well. At the side of this interface we have which is called sprite. We can change sprite by clicking this icon and choose sprite. We can choose from this selection of sprites. So let's select Ben, and we can delete the previous sprites by clicking on this icon and then this bin here. Now I can change the background of our sprite by choosing a backdrop, and again we have a selection with different backgrounds, and we can click blue sky and we have this environment here. We can change our sprite name. We have here the X and Y axis of our interface here. We can show the sprite or hide the sprite, and we can change the size of. We can start programming our character here. So to make our character to move, we have to go to events, select this green flag, green flag, green flag is clicked, and we can start creating our selection of blocks here. So I want my sprite to move, so I will go to motion and select move 10 steps, and you can see easily how they both connected together. Now when I click this green flag here, I will see our character to move. Now we can select forever instead of this movement is forever. We can add this block which says if on edge bounce, the sprite touch the edge, it will bounce back. So let's try that selection of blocks, and if I green flag, we try to move around, but as you can see, our character is rotating. So let's fix that. We can go to direction, and we can select this left and right button. So if I click now again the green flag, we can see Ben moving around, going left and right. Now we can change the degrees of how to we can change to 15 degrees, and Ben will start bouncing all over this interface here. And with this selection of blocks, we can make our character to move, to bounce, to say something, to interact with our user. So this is a nice way for our students to learn coding, and also it is a nice way to learn English with this language, with this platform, because as we can see, all of our blocks are in English language. So in parallel, our student learns coding and also English with these basic commands. So it's a nice way to have it in our classroom, and it's really interesting for them as well. So stay with us for more.